Did you know cutting an earthworm in half doesn't create two worms? But here's the twist, it might still survive. Earthworms have a head and a tail. If you cut them in half, the half with the head can regenerate its tail, but the tail half won't grow a new head. That's because all the vital organs and its brain are in the head section. But not all worms can regenerate. It depends on the species and how they're cut. And don't try this. It's harmful to them and could easily kill both halves. Earthworms are amazing for the planet. They aerate the soil, recycle nutrients, and even help plants grow better. So instead of cutting them, let them do their magic underground.